Wellbro's elevated stainless steel cat bowls offer a whisker-friendly, ergonomic design that reduces neck strain and prevents vomiting. This set includes 2 wide, shallow bowls, perfect for wet and dry food or separating snacks, helping keep your pet's face clean and comfortable during meals. Made from food-grade Seuss 304 stainless steel, these durable bowls resist allergies and feline acne. Measuring 6.7 inches in diameter and 3.7 inches tall, they hold 8.5 ounces, ideal for indoor cats, puppies, and small dogs. If you want a cleaner, healthier feeding solution, this set is worth a look.